3D puzzle. Today we're assembling the Seaside Villa. Blue roof. A little girl stands on the beach. 2 puzzle boards. Take off the puzzle components. On the grass, the house floor has been laid. This is the beach. Assemble the wall. This is the balcony floor. Install the balcony. Balcony awning. There are 2 windows on the blue roof. Fold out a small chimney. Installed on the other side of the roof. Assemble the blue roof. Busy with the flowers and grass next to it. A tall coconut tree, an oak tree, the sunflowers and flower beds next to the balcony, flower beds at the door of the house. Finally, the little girl standing on the beach with a swimming ring. Seaside Villa assembly complete.